Alright friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Demi, and in today's video, I'm gonna bring you a breakdown of the interest I've been receiving in my Singlife account. If you've watched my emergency fund video, I actually mentioned that I keep my emergency funds in Singlife account. So Singlife actually offers you a 1% interest on your first 10,000 and subsequently 0.5% above 10,000 to 100,000. So this video, I'm going to give you a breakdown of the interest that I've been receiving every single month up until today, and also the benefits of having a Singlife account, what it actually entails, etc. So stick around to the end where I show you the exact breakdown. Give this video a big thumbs up, like and subscribe, and follow me along on this personal finance journey right here in Singapore. So Singlife, if you do not know about them, they are together with Aviva Insurance Company. What is a Singlife account, you might ask? So if you go into their website, they actually tell you that Singlife is an insurance savings plan where you can earn interest while still having the flexibility to make your top-ups and withdrawals with no lock-in and fees. So no lock-in and fees, that's an extreme perk. When I say that emergency funds has to always be liquid, it means that you can anytime enter into your account and withdraw the sum that you will need in a scenario of an emergency. That is what Singlife actually offers you, and more than that, it actually gives you insurance benefits as well. For me, I do not actually look at that. I'm only looking at the interest that they provide because it's way above your bank deposit accounts, which give you about a 0.4% to a 0.5%, which I've also compared and covered the differences in the emergency fund video, which you can make reference to. Link to that up above or down below in the description. You earn up to 1% on your first 10,000. So 1% on 10,000, above 10,000 to 100,000, you earn 0.5%. But they also give you an additional 0.5% if you actually spend on their Visa debit card. So the good thing about Singlife is that they actually give you a debit card. If you see here, this is their Singlife Visa debit card. And what you can actually do with this card is to actually just spend it anywhere that supports Visa payments. So if you spend a minimum of $500, you earn an extra 0.5% per annum on the amount that you keep with them. So take note of that. The Visa debit card lets you use this anywhere that accepts Visa, and also foreign transactions denominated in SGD. Further details, you can find it in the website. Link to all that in the description below. I do not use this Visa debit card to earn the 0.5%. I actually have my own set of cards that I use. I have a video dedicated to that on how I earn cashback on my expenditure. Link to that will also be in the description and up above, as you can see. You might wonder how you can access your funds. The same goes for like your normal iBanking apps for DBS or UOB. You will also be able to access it in the same way on your Singlife mobile app. So let me just bring you through to my app and I'll show you how the interface looks like. When you log into the app, this will be how it looks like. Right now, I have about 7.2 thousand in there. I transferred a bit out. You can easily see here, quick access, you can top up your account. You can link it to your normal bank account and top up from there or withdraw from there. So once you do the withdrawal, you give it a while, maybe about a few minutes, and you will enter to your bank account. The longest I've experienced in my journey with Singlife was that it took maybe less than an hour to transfer over to my bank account, which is still not too bad, but most of the time it is almost always instant deposits and withdrawal. If you press into manage, you can see that they will give you your recent activity and your transaction breakdowns for what you have done in your account. The past few days, I've actually moved my funds around. You can see the transactions here as well, and every month on the 18th, I receive my interest from Singlife. So in the recent one, I received $9.03. If I bring you through to my Notion, you can see that I have recorded every single month how much I've been receiving from Singlife. So in 2020, they first started out with 2% on the money that you keep with them. So my interest was actually quite high. I almost always try to maintain an account balance of 10,000. And speaking of account balance, the minimum that you must keep with Singlife is actually $100 account balance only. In 2020, every single month, I've been earning about $10 to $19 in interest. And for the entire year in 2020, I've earned a $79.88 in interest in a span of 5 months. And in 2021, they actually decreased the percentage, following suit every single bank who actually decreased their interest in their savings deposit account as well because of COVID. So in 2021, the total interest that I've earned was actually $108.05. In between, in June to September, I actually moved my funds around, so hence you see that the amount got lesser as well. And in 2022, I've been maintaining a balance of 8 to 10,000 around there, and I have received $42.29 since. And in totality, throughout the period of time that I have kept my funds with Singlife, in total I received $230.22. Honestly, that is quite good compared to your DBS multiplier account or any POSB Kids savings account. It is an alternative. You can keep some of the funds here, keep some in your DBS account where it's easily accessible just for ease of transactions every single day. The remaining amount that you do not use, you can keep it with Singlife and still access it easily. I think the most important question that you guys would have is that are they insured? So rest assured, Singlife is actually licensed by MAS and they are also SDIC protected. So your funds, like your normal banks like DBS, UOB, OCBC, they are also licensed by MAS and they are also insured by SDIC. So it's the same thing, your money is insured, so do not worry about that. Singapore, more or less generally, everything is quite stable. Big financial institutions, especially if you know the fact that Singlife is together with Aviva, they are established and you can definitely trust them. So disclaimer is that I'm not a financial advisor. This is me just sharing where I keep my emergency funds, how these products have actually helped me in my personal finance journey, navigating it in my 20s. So all in all, that is all I have for Singlife. It is pretty simple and straightforward. If you have any questions with regards to this, definitely leave it down in the comment section or DM me on Instagram. That's all I have for today. So in the subsequent videos, you can look forward to more personal finance videos. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!